Hi everyone, this is Lori from Happy Birds Glitter Nest, and today I'm going to make some earrings out of this lovely Dollar Tree bracelet. Now, one thing about these bracelets that the Dollar Tree sells is I noticed the glass beads are actually very nice quality, and they really are beautiful beads. So I'm going to snip this bracelet in half. And I'm not going to keep the little white beads because I want more color in it. So I'm just going to pull these off here. And this will give us a total of 6 pairs of earrings out of a single Dollar Tree bracelet. Now the only other items you'll need are head pins. They're about 1.5 inches long, and use the strong head pins so you can just create a loop at the top instead of a wrap. Michaels has some nice sturdy head pins, and you'll need bead caps that match the color of your head pins. And if you use bead caps that are either 8mm or 9mm, then that will be absolutely fine. And of course I'm talking about the width. Okay, and then lastly, dig into your stash and find some 4mm beads. Now it doesn't matter if the beads are bicones, like these, or if they're round, like these little cream colored pearls here. So, find some that have some color to them, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. I forgot to mention one final thing. You'll also need some matching ear wires, and I found these really pretty ear wires on Facebook. The store was called Doreen Beads, and it's all one word. And I ordered these using PayPal, and she sent me, I believe, 50 pairs, or 50 earrings, or 50 pairs, 50 earrings, I think. Anyway, I really like them. They don't have the little spring on them, which I really dislike. I don't like the springs, so that's why I ordered these. It has a little ball, but no springs, so that's good. I think the springs cheapen the look of the earrings. And I did try wearing them because my ears are very sensitive, and right away they'll become infected if there's an issue with the plating on the earrings, or if they have nickel in them. And these were absolutely fine on me. And I will tell you though, when you order these, I paid roughly $2.29 for these with shipping. If you order these, it did take 3 weeks and 5 days before I received it. So that'll give you kind of an idea of about how long it may be for you. Okay, so now I can stop yammering. Oops, I have a couple more of those white beads left here. But I just wanted to show you these one last time. Don't they sparkle? So pretty. Okay. Alright, so for the first one, I am going to grab, let's see. I'll start with this teal color 4mm bicone. And oops, some of these bicones, the holes aren't made properly. They were a little cheaper, these particular ones that I bought, so the holes aren't always uniform. So let me get another one. Here, I have one here. There we go. Yeah, this works better. And these bead caps are acrylic. I bought these a while back. I'm trying to think, maybe 2 years ago, from the US Panda haul, but I don't even know if they have these there anymore. But Michael's has nice bead caps in strands, and I know Joann's carries them. I'm not too sure about Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I'm going to slide this on, and then another bead cap. Hold on for a moment. Okay, I'm going to slip this on the top. Okay, so now we have room. I'm going to place this down here. My hands are very cold right now. It's unusually cold for May in this area. Okay, so I'm going to bend this down and then give it a little back bend, and it'll look kind of like a shepherd's hook. Then you want to go back in and bend it until the tip of the loop here is centered at the very top of the bead, like so. Oops, that slipped. Okay, and you can always go back and give it another little back bend if you need to. I just want to make sure it's in there nice and tight. Alright, and then I take my flat nose pliers and just kind of flatten it, everything, straighten it out. Okay, and so now we're going to do the little earring here. I'm holding the ball and twisting this outward like that. And then I'm just going to hook this on like so and turn it around so I can close it like that. And then so we have our first pair teal earrings. I already made one up ahead of time. Okay, so here is the pair together, and they remind me of Victorian style earrings. I really like them. And so I'll set these aside. And like I said, you can also use the 4mm round beads, any type of beads or pearls that you want to use. Let's see, I'm going to make one here. It has little cream colored pearls. I think the cream colored pearls look really nice with the gold. Okay, so I'm just going to slide one of these pearls on. If I can find the hole. Alright. And then a bead cap. And then one of these. And another bead cap. And then, of course, lastly, the pearl. You can make these up just for the fun of it. Give them away as random acts of kindness gifts to people you know or that could use a little pick-me-up. You can also make these for Christmas. You can use the pearls or maybe even red or green bicones. And we're going to do the same thing here. Bend that back. And make sure that this is touching the center of the pearl, the end of this part here that we're trying to bend. It looks pretty good, but I'm still, I guess, a little cautious. You know, I want to make sure that it's not going to come off the ear wire. Straighten it up, flatten it out like this. Looks nice. I'm going to take another one of our ear wires and bend that back and slip this on just like that. and close it up. And so now we have another pair of pretty Victorian-like earrings, like that. And I'm just going to do, I'm not going to make you sit here while I do all 6 pairs, but I'll go ahead and do one more. Maybe, let's see, maybe I'll do purple. These are some little purple bicones. And boy, if you could make these up ahead of time for Christmas, that would be a really inexpensive gift, like I mentioned before. These would also be really cute bridal shower favors. I mean, the bracelets are only $1, and you can pick up the rest of the stuff I showed you for pretty cheap. So make sure this goes all the way down. See these little little glass crystal-like beads that I bought were really cheap, like I said, and so a lot of the holes aren't uniform like they should be. They're pretty, but there we go. That's better. And then I'm going to put the cap on here. And another Dollar Tree glass bead. And another bead cap. And I'm going to slide this on if I can find the hole. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing here. Going to bend this right over. Give it a little back bend. And close it. Might have to give it another back bend, and that's okay if you have to do that. There we go. Alright, now I'm going to flatten that out and straighten it up. Okay, that looks good. And then last ear wire here. I'm going to take this and bend it out and slip the earring on. Just like this. And so now we have a pair of pretty purple bicone earrings at the top. I hope you can see how they sparkle, because they really are pretty. I don't know if my little lamp that I'm under is picking up the sparkle well enough, but they really, really are pretty. So I'm going to finish the other 3 pairs, and I'll take a picture of it and I'll post it on my blog so you can see it, and I'll also show you towards the end of this video. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this, and God bless each and every one of you. And if you have a chance, be sure to check out my friend Craftie's channel. She has a lot of wonderful jewelry making videos. She makes a lot of charms, and they're really pretty. And also check out my friend Carol Tolson. She has a channel called Refunction Crafts, and I'll put links to both of those in the Show More drop-down bar below. Some people call it the description box, but it's the same thing. And it'll be below my video. So with that said, take care and have a wonderful day, and God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye.